Yo, hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to make a dice on Scratch, and it's quite easy. So yeah, firstly you're going to come to scratch.make.edu. Now if you do want to save your projects, make sure you do save an account, or do an account, otherwise your projects aren't going to save. And if you want an account, I'm just going to sign out a sec. You're going to not sign in. You're going to click join Scratch. Then you're going to do a username. You're going to do a password. You're going to do another password. It will ask you date of birth, and it will ask you your gender. And then, if your date of birth is under 16, it will ask. It will give you like a parent's email. If you want to put your email in, you can, and you need your parent to accept the email before you can share any projects. But enough introducing, and let's get in. So this is what we're gonna make. Basically, when you click green flag and you six, so when you click green flag, it comes up with a different one every time. And I'm going to be teaching you how to make just that. So let's get in. Now we're going to create a new project by just clicking create here, or if you have an account, you're going to come to my stuff and click new project. Then we can delete this scratch cat and click paint. Then we're going to select the fill to white and no outline. Get a square. Now if you want a perfect square, just hold your shift. And we're going to change the backdrop. Maybe do any backdrop you want. Maybe I'll just do blue sky for now. Then we're going to come to, we're going to set this to 56 and 52. Maybe 53, yeah. And set that to negative. Well, maybe just set it to 34, 52. Or maybe even a little bit better. Yeah, there. 15 by 63. Then, you can name this costume 1. And then we're going to come to this little markup button. And we're going to set this to 50. And set the fill colour to black. Then try get this in as middle as you can. But if you don't, it's fine. Then just do one little dot. And then duplicate. Now that has already named it 2 for you. Now this is black dot, you can select it and move it up into like the corner. Yeah, up in the corner. Then click copy and paste it. Then put that there. Then we're going to duplicate this again. We're going to select this and add another one in the middle for our 3. Then add 4. And now we can just delete these 2. And you can either click backspace or click delete. There's backspace. And then here's delete. Oops. If you do accidentally do that, see this undo button, you can just click that. Then we're going to copy and paste this. And put it in this top corner. And we can do that again. So, duplicate it Now I'm on a Mac, so yeah, things may be a little bit different, but it's fine. Now we're gonna keep them there, and with this 4, we can just add one more dot. Then there's 5, and then come here and delete this costume. You don't need to name them if you don't wanna, but I'm just doing it because I wanna. Copy and paste one. Put it in the middle like 3. Then paste again. Oh, oopsie. Yeah, if you do scratch it, just undo it. And paste. Now we have all of our costumes. Then, now we're going to get onto the coding. Now if you want, you can add a little roll sound, but I'm not gonna. Yeah, you can record one or actually download one, but I'm not. And we're going to get a round green flag clicked, switch costume. Now, we don't want this to say anything, so we're going to come to operators and get pick random. And this will pick a random number from 1 to 6. Oops, 1 to 6. And then we're going to do hide and wait. And if you want, you can just have that, but it will show straight away. And if you want that roll effect, you've got to have it. So yeah. But then when you click green flag, it goes and comes up with a number. Now mine aren't as clean, so if you want to, you can go change it. Set that to 1. Set that to 1 there. Oh, 3. Then 2. Yeah. Then you can name that dice. And the original product will be in the description if it doesn't work. And yeah. So see you in the next video and peace.